Man, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Okay, I'm trying to improve my intros to make it sound better, because I'm always like, what's going on, guys? Nah, I need to be more serious. But today, this ain't really like my normal videos. Like I said, in this channel, we do everything in this channel. But today, like, you see the title, different drips. Some of y'all probably don't know what different drips are, but some of y'all that do know me know that I get my jewelry from there. And if you don't know, this is where I get my jewelry from. So I usually always get people at school telling me, Santi, where do you get your jewelry from? Where do you get your jewelry from? Where do you get your jewelry from? And I just tell them different drips. They're in my opinion, they're the best jewelry place. And we're about to get into the video and see why I think that. I've got chains from the Gold Gods, Shop GLD. I've gotten chains from, no, that's about it. And then different drips. But out of those, different drips has been my favorite. So yeah, let's get into this video. All right, one thing, they're shipping, and listen, I'm always honest, so I'm being honest here. The Gold God shipping is faster, but I think it's worth the wait. It's of course it's worth the wait. This is the one I got. This is a 12 millimeter. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to get this chain. If you want to cop this chain, y'all, trust me, it's a good chain. Y'all gotta, you looking for jewelry, you gotta come to different drips. Here it is, no light. And this chain was 140 around there. Took about 1 week and a half to get in, 2 weeks. And it's kind of heavy. It's good quality. Everything about this chain is good quality. I can pull on it hard, nothing happens. You got the little key thingy here. And we're here. At first, when I first got it, I didn't know how to like unclip it and everything. It was hard, but once you get a hang of it, it's easy. You just put the little key in there and put it around. And then I'm gonna put up a clip right now, how I look on with the chain. All right, so now that that's gone, it's here. And then I'm gonna get a better close up, but here y'all can see it. 12 millimeter Cuban link, diamond. Trust me, there's a lot of good chains on this site. Y'all gotta check it. Y'all gotta check them out. Link in the description, remember. Different drips. Shipping takes about a week and a half. Good quality chains. Everything about them is good. I mean, I've even showered with this chain on before and the gold didn't rust away, none of that. And I've done that. I've sweat with like the Gold Gods, their jewelry, and like it would turn green. This doesn't really do that. Here. It don't have that metal taste. It stays the same. Everything about this is good. Good quality. Everybody that's touched this chain, they even agree that it's good quality. And one thing though, I don't have the packing or whatever, but it came in this bag. This is the only packing I got. It came in this bag and it was all wrapped around in a bunch of bubble wrap. And then it came in a little pouch. And then the whole chain had plastic around it to keep it safe to not get any scratches. So shipping and handling, all that's a 10 out of 10. Chains are 10 out of 10. Everything about it is 10 out of 10. Link in the description if you want to get this chain. Or if not, link in the description for the site to buy you a chain. And there's all types of chains. Like, to me, this isn't really a everyday type chain, if I'm gonna be honest. This is like if I got a nice outfit, I'm looking nice. But if you want an everyday chain, you can get you a regular rope chain from there. Just a more thin chain, not too flashy. But if you want to be flashy, this is the chain. This is a chain to go. And there's white gold and regular gold. And this is the gold one. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for more videos. And I got some more things coming in. I'll do another review. Truly like and subscribe. And I'm gonna put different drips IG right here. And then my IG right here. If you wanna follow them, go ahead. DM them. The DMs are open. And yeah.